Hello and welcome. Today we will play Crying on our ukuleles. For the intro, we only need G chord, so go ahead and give me a G. And we'll play that chord twice. Now for strumming. If you're an absolute beginner, focus on playing on beat 1 and count to 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're more comfortable with strumming hand, then gently do the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, then again, down, down, up, down, up. Let's play the intro, and then I'll play a little bit of the verse so that you can hear it because it stays on the G chord. Here we go. 1, 2, breathe, intro, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. Okay, great. Now we're at the verse, and we have this like chord progression or these chords together that are G, G augmented, C, and C minor. So let me move closer to the camera to show you how I'm going to be doing this switch. We're going to play G chord, and then we go to an augmented G chord. You have two ways to get there. One, if your hand will allow you to slide the index finger up. So we're at G, slide the index finger up, but keep the other fingers where they were. So G, 2, 3, 4, G augmented, 2, 3, 4. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide. If that does not agree with your hand, if you've ever played a D minor chord like this, then, oh, let me move, like this, then do that position down here. So that will involve you doing a full switch. Let's try it. 1, 2, this second way. 1, 2 from G, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then switch. 2, 3, 4. So do the one that you like the most. After this G augmented, we'll go to a C, so we're right next door. If possible, play that C with a ring finger because we're going to go to a C minor after. So let's try those 4 chords. 1, 2, you got this, ready, and G, G augmented, C, C minor. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and G, G augmented, Charlie, Charlie minor. Beautiful. After the C minor, we go back to G, then D, and D again. So let's put all of the chords in the verse together so that we can see what it feels like to play it. Here we go. 1, 2, the verse. 1, 2, ready, and right. For a while, I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight. You stopped to say hello. Oh, you wished me well. You couldn't tell that I've been. And we would go into the chorus. So let's do that again one more time. And by the way, I like to call the chords out like G for golf, C Charlie, D delta, because when we're playing and strumming, sometimes a G can sound like a C, can sound like a D. So hopefully that helps to make communication more clear. I was going to say communication. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and right. For a while, I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight as you stopped to say hello. Oh, you wished me well. You couldn't tell that I've been. Okay, perfect. One more thing that I want to add to the verse is that you can actually stop when he says, as you stopped to say hello. You can do a single strum on beat 1, as you stopped to say hello. and keep the strumming pattern going on the rest of it. Now this song being more soft, I am skipping the second down strum. So you know how we have down, down, up, down, up? I'm doing like a little baby ghost strum where the hand moves, but I don't always touch the strings. So in case you caught on about me having some missing strums, that's what I'm doing. Okay, let's glue together the intro and this time stop where he says as you stopped. Here we go. 1, 2 from the intro. 1, 2, enjoy it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight as you stopped to say hello. Oh, you wished me well. You couldn't tell. Alrighty, now we're ready to go to the chorus. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button or share it, write a comment. Anything that you do to engage with a video helps promote it to other viewers, and that helps me to continue making videos. And a special thanks to the channel members and the Patreon members. Because of you, I'm able to do this full time and make videos for people for free. So thank you so much. And through your contributions, I use those to make donations of ukuleles. So I think it was a month or two ago, we donated to the UKC, Ukulele Kids Club. And then this month we donated to a local high school, and I went out and did a lesson for them. So thank you so much for your contributions. Okay, now at the chorus, there is a B minor chord, and before you click out, I'm gonna give you a beautiful way to cheat it, and no one would know that you're actually cheating. And we're gonna introduce a picking pattern. So let me play it for you. I'm not gonna play the bar version of B minor. Trying to find the note. Crying over you, crying over you. So if you're comfortable with a full B minor chord, I'm gonna give you a picking pattern too, but first let me do the easier one. You're going to assign the thumb on your third string, then index, then middle. And the pattern is gonna be thumb, index, middle, index. Twice per chord. Thumb, index, middle, index. Again, thumb, index, middle, index. And then the B minor, we're gonna play this way. Boop, boop, boop. Crying over you, crying over you. And by the way, this picking pattern sounds beautiful on the whole song, like this. I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. So have fun with that picking pattern. Now let's say you are comfortable with this B minor, the barred version. Then your picking pattern is going to be 4, 3, 2 and 1 together, then 3. I'm going to do it on a G string. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, and then again. And then the B minor. Crying over you, cry. And you can use this beautiful pattern for the whole song. I just saved it because I love the idea of hacking that B minor. Crying. All right, let's continue with the chorus. Let's play that first line. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Crying over you. I'm going too fast. Again for me. Crying. There we go. 1, 2 for me. Go. Crying over you. Crying over you. Beautiful. The next line we have Charlie Delta, C, D, C, D. Let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, Charlie, you said so long, be standing all alone. And the next line, you'll see a familiar chord progression or like chords friends, where we have the G, G augmented, Charlie, and Charlie minor. So let's try that part. 1, 2, 1, 2, G. I'm forgetting the lyric there, or the note. Let's do it from the beginning of the chorus for me. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Crying over you, crying over you, and you said so long, left me standing all alone, alone and crying, 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 crying. And to end the chorus, we have golf, golf, delta, delta, golf, golf. So let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's hard to understand, but the touch of your hand can start me crying. All right, let's try the whole chorus. Can we start from the last line of verse 1? Oh, you wished me well, you couldn't tell that I've been crying. So it's right there on the wish me well. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Wish me well, you couldn't tell that I've been crying over you, crying over you, and you said so long, left me standing all alone, alone and crying, 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 crying. Understand that the touch of your hand can start me crying. Very nice. All right, so next we have a verse and then like a baby chorus, but the verse is the same chords wise, and the chorus is the same chords wise. So let's play through those. That's called sight reading, when you're just kind of playing something for the first time. But I know that you can do it now because of what we've learned so far. And by the way, if you're enjoying learning with me and you'd like to join live lessons, we do live lessons via Zoom on Wednesdays and Thursdays at 12 Pacific time. And I offer the replay for anyone who can't make it. And we focus on one song for the whole hour. That way we really dive in and we can practice and get better. And my favorite part is that we meet the next day. And something that I tell my community over there is that the best practice is a good night's sleep. Because after you sleep and come back to the song, it feels so much easier. And that's a common comment that I see. That is like, yesterday this felt so difficult and today it feels so much better. So yeah, advice for you for tomorrow, practice this song again and it'll feel easier. All right, let's just play through verse 2, chorus 2, and start playing the final chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I thought that I saw you, but it's true, so true. I love you even more than I did before. But darling, what can I do? You don't love me, and I'll always be crying over you, crying over you, yes, tonight. would like a full playthrough of the song, I have that available now for my Patreon members and channel members as a thank you for your contributions. Now you have everything you need to be able to play this song from beginning to end. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this. This is more of like a intermediate song. So if you felt like you were in that plateau of like, I'm a beginner, like a confident beginner, I want to go to the next level, stay consistent with this song because that one will take you to the next level, especially if you add the picking pattern or the bar chords. Thank you again so much for watching today. I hope you had fun and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. Ciao!